Yo, what's up, YouTubers? This is Mr. Love Cookies, and I have an unboxing for you today. This is the Canon PowerShot SD30 Digital Elf. You might notice that this box is already open because I'm using the camera to record, and I don't have another camera. So yeah, don't expect a review anytime soon. Let's get started. First, you get some wires to the TV and this goes to the computer. Next, you will get a charger, and battery goes right there, and battery charger light. And a lot of pamphlets. You get the English and in both English advanced, basic and advanced version. Yeah, and the advanced version. Then you get the Espanol or Spanish version, basic and advanced, and the printer guide in English and Spanish or Espanol. Next, yeah, cell battery cover. Video camera solution disc by Canon. Help by QuickTime for Macintosh or for Windows. Directions. Yeah. And you get 16 megabyte SD card slot or secure digital card, whatever. And then last, as you can see, there's no more anything else in the box. Is this papers, the accessory map in Spanish. There was no English in my box, so yeah. And finally, to register your product online in English, Canadian, and Espanol. Oh yeah, I forgot to prove that the camera. I'm going to prove you I'm using camera right now. Yeah. Okay. Watch your comment or subscribe.